There are over 7 billion people on Earth. That's like there being 7 billion grocery stores and someone opening up 7 billion new ones. The moon is only like 9,000 miles away. Right about now, the Apollo 13 crew is floating around out there in the blackness of space. Probably they should have shut it down and just left it alone. If something goes wrong, they won't be able to re-enter the atmosphere and parachute back down. They can't just nuke the thing or blow it up. Earth is basically made up of water. Water is very dense. If you hit something really hard with it, it will just bounce right off. Just try to throw a pebble into a pond. It's going to explode unless you just throw it really hard. You know how fast the Earth is going in the summer? It's going 4 miles per second. It's called a black hole. It's almost like when you look at a black cat. When you see a black cat, it's hard to see a black cat, but when you look at it really close, you do see one. People often ask me if I think the world was created in 6 days, and the answer is no. I think the world was created in 7 days. There are 3 days in the week, and there are 7 days in the week. Now, look down at your wristwatch. What's that? Oh, it's not that time. That's right. It's the time on the moon. And just look down at your shoe. That's the way the moon looks. My point is this: in all the billions of years of life, there has never been a known evidence of a human being, except for one case. That's our lives on this planet. Only one case of the existence of a human being, that's all. Remember that. The only life that doesn't matter is your life. The sun is like no other star. In fact, it is so big that it is really 3 stars that are pinched together. They say one could reach the moon. That's just 10 miles up. What about higher? 1,000 miles. The moon is in no danger at all of splitting in half. That's not how it works. Space is big, really, really big. It would take thousands of years for the average human to reach the moon, and yet a snail can move faster than a spaceship. Scientists aren't exactly sure what the moon is made of, but they're almost certain it's not a potato.